today or tonight because we decided to come for the Fright Fest with my little sister who doesn't want to be in the video. Follow her on YouTube. Just kidding, I'm not gonna link her. But yeah, so we just got off the Wonder Woman ride and we've been waiting for like 2 hours on this, but it was worth it. The park closes in like 30 minutes. So we're gonna try to go on Cobra and Medusa. They're gonna try to go Medusa. I'm gonna stay out of that. But
I'm not gonna bring her with us too.
No, but so
hope you guys are enjoying your day, and tomorrow we will be going hiking and we'll vlog that. So see you guys later. Hey guys, so we made it to the hiking spot today. As always, I'm with my girl Annie.
I have no energy or want to hike right now.
Yeah, we just had a big meal at Chevy's. We had too much, but it was really good. Did you enjoy it?
I realized I left the food.
At the restaurant?
Right? I packed the food.
Well, apparently she's left her leftovers, which was a lot. Cause
gosh, that
did you really?
Yeah, I didn't take anything. Right? I told you I give you everything the whole except the food.
Well, I was carrying her wallet and her keys and phone.
For 5 minutes.
What? Oh, well, he gets free food as well as he gets.
Yeah, we tipped him a lot.
Yeah, we did a little too much, and it was funny. We put the bills in the folder thing. I don't know what it's called. And she was playing with the $1, and we gave him the folder thing that has like the money and the receipt, how much it was, and then
before he left, before he left, I was like, oh, and this one also, like, just give him $1. He's so, like, oh, thanks.
We think he's gonna think that we only tipped him $1, but when he opens it, he'll be happy.
Hopefully.
But here's the view we have right now. It's pretty pretty right now. There's not too. Thanks. And then check out the most beautiful thing.
I gotta give background music.
Okay.
You don't like it?
And check out the most beautiful part about. Oh.
You forced me to wear this sweatshirt.
She got it for me. That pose though. Oh, almost fell. No, me.
Oh.
But yeah, we're on a little bridge right now, but that's cute. And we're probably gonna, which way are we gonna hike?
I think we're more walking than hiking, honestly. I think we're gonna stay on the flat land and like probably go around the lake and do that. Maybe not around the whole lake.
You wanna go up there to that thing? Or you wanna go this way?
Do you want to actually like...
Oh, you wanna go around the whole lake?
No, it's a long lake. But we're gonna see, we're gonna decide and then get back to you guys after or midway of our hike. And yeah. Oh man, look how intense this is already. I got a lot of new.
Beautiful singing. You're my flashlight.
I'm kind of dark.
Yeah, you brighten up everyone's smile.
I brighten up everyone's smile? Aw.
And everyone's day too.
Thank you.
I always bring bread for the ducks, but apparently she says it's bad for the ducks.
I don't think bread's anything.
What?
I don't think.
She says to feed them cereal and grapes. And I feel like grapes choke them. Where'd you read that? How to kill ducks? Google. Okay. But yeah, we should decide to take this route instead. I don't know where we're going, but oh, look how beautiful it is. I'm just joking.
Oh, look at that dog. That looks super excited for me.
Yeah, there's a small little dog park over here. She's just recording her song right now. Okay. I hope you guys enjoy that little dance video with my girls.
And that song like 2 years, guys, so
I know, but
if I don't remember the dance. It's easier, babe. It has steps.
Alex should take the challenge in one. He's just joking. I didn't see it, but she introduced me to K-pop because I really like K-pop now, especially my girls' generation and AOA and some other Korean groups. But before I met her, I never really liked listening to K-pop. But thank you for introducing me. But they're actually really good to listen to.
They just look through and I let them go.
But some kids are using them right now.
That's funny, you just gotta push them off.
Wow. Robin of being kind.
That is being kind. They have to share too.
Okay.
Don't hurt you. Oh, he's so cute.
No, you're the most beautiful. Even though I just said my last name right. I'll play it. But yeah, we're just probably gonna go up on the hills over here. We'll probably be here for an hour, and then we're gonna go to Snow Crave with my dad because he just got off work. He was on the San Francisco for the whole week for work, and now he's gonna come home. So we'll see him there, and then Monday I'll spend most of my day doing homework. You have class, right?
Yeah, Monday's my free days, but I have like a weird 8-hour schedule between my classes. And then I have an assignment due tomorrow at 8 a.m. that I have not started, guys.
Don't procrastinate.
And then don't pretend like you don't have anything to do by coming out and hiking and ignoring your homework for the entire weekend because...
Our professor is watching. Just joking. See, you already started her essay?
I'm pretty sure I got an A. I'll get an A in the assignment, on the assignment. But okay, maybe it'll be, let me shoot for me, guys.
We're gonna just see if they're open like after our hike.
I gotta go over there. Walk. Oh no, you can enter that way, babe.
Which way? That way?
Just that way.
Okay. We just wanted to take a little extra hike. We're currently in the road right now. But I think they just built this road like yesterday. It looks really nice, doesn't it? Brand new. We'll see you guys up there on the hike and hope you're having a good day.
Oh guys, also, this game right here, Word Connect, if you don't have it, get it because
she's been
like,
playing it way too much.
I play like I'm already on what level 100 and something, 164, and I only played for 2 days, but and like all these words I forget that are words just come back to me, and yeah.
She constantly plays it. I'm like trying to talk to her. I'm just joking.
And then I play the number one, the puzzle 10. Hold on, puzzle 10 right there. So fun, guys. Like at first, okay, for my well, my dad, because I didn't understand how the game worked, that you had to like match, like that you can make the 10s into 20s and like so on and so on. And so like I finally, once I understood how it works, like it was crazy. It was crazy. But good games to keep your mental ability strong, you know.
Yeah, great when you have no one to talk to when they're right next to you. I'm joking.
First of all, he helps me too.
I do help her.
Don't pretend like I don't put you part of the game. I don't ignore you.
Look at them. So see you guys later.
When was the document?
So we just got here and she's already struggling.
I don't like hiking.
It's nice though. It's a good exercise.
It takes me on so many hikes, guys. Like, you know, like the first day I told him, yeah, hiking's not my thing. I don't like hiking at all. Oh, let's go on the hike over here.
It was beautiful, wasn't it though? Wasn't it beautiful? Like no summer? Well, we kind of walked around it and went kayaking and swim. It's mainly just grassy here, but there's a, what's it called, a seesaw?
Yeah.
There's a seesaw on one of the hills that.
There's a swing actually. I just don't know how to get to it.
Yeah. This way?
Yeah, this is where we'll go.
Okay.
The cows are usually here.
Yeah. I guess the cows are only here during some of the seasons.
Maybe I'm gonna do a cartwheel.
Okay, she's gonna do a cartwheel now. Wow.
I want to see that hand.
You can try. She's about to do a handstand.
No, to do twirling.
Says the girl tying her hair right now. Oh wow, bringing out the hood. Dang. Where'd my girl go? Oh, there you are. Just joking. Oh wow.
No. Oh, stop working.
It's okay. Look, it's a little snake here. Look how cool the snake is.
Stop.
No, it's not poisonous. Check out the snake though. It's just a little baby though. Bye. I'll leave you alone. Okay. He does not look happy. And there's my girl way over here. Did I walk that far? What? Did I walk that far though? Dang, you like, where was the snake originally?
Where you were, I was on the left.
Oh, wow, she just left me. Can't believe that.
Yeah.
Just joking. No. Good eye though.
You're dying?
What?
When it bites you and you're dying, I don't want to be next to it.
She had a good eye though. I didn't even see it. Hopefully we see more. Sorry about the wind.
That would have been a better song to dance to.
This one?
No, Miss It. Bad girl, good girl.
Check out the view though. It's nice up here. There goes my girl. The love of my life. Just need to catch up to her. Oh, very sexy. Oh. Gotta do the post, right? Screenshot. Okay. Very flat area. It's weird how like the big cows can walk over here. Oh, here comes the wind again. I'll put the camera so you guys.
Also, we got attacked by the cows.
Yes, I remember that. Oof. Not the flattest surface to be walking, but yeah.
Is it real?
So, she just found another creature. Look at her. Yes.
Oh no.
I think it's a skink. I could be wrong. Don't worry. But look at this little guy. Are you okay? Look at this guy right here.
Why is it not moving?
Because it's just enjoying the warmth of the ground. I'm not bothering it though. Well, I kind of am, but I'm not gonna touch it. But it's just his tongue. He's like, back off. Check out this guy though. He's so cute.
That's enough footage.
Okay. Rah. I feel like I'm in Texas or the country right now.
Oh, I did.
Oh, I missed it.
I'll be good with you recording. Stop.
Ready? Check out her.
Oh no.
It's uneven, so I'll give you that.
Stinks.
Hey. Still way better than I can do. We'll see you later, buddy. Bye. Hopefully no bird eats them. But we'll continue our walk over here, or hike. The sun's starting to go down, but it would have been a perfect day to Bring our kites.
Can I wipe this one?
Go, babe. This way or that way?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Is that how we used to do?
Probably. Just watch the ground because you might see something. Look at my baby go. Oh, I didn't get that camera, don't worry. I don't think so. It is. Just gonna take a photo of me, right? Oh.
Go on this side, yeah. Oh, it's real. Oh my gosh, this lighting is so good. Okay, hold on. Look at that.
So cute.
It's here.
You like it? I look really yellow. It's probably because of lighting.
Yeah. Only one can look good. Switch.
Oh. Wow, so I mean, check out this airplane thing. I'll catch up to my girl. It's really pretty out here. Woo. Okay, so we're gonna go up this hill. Oof. It's windy. Shit, I don't want to fall. You okay? Oh, it's taller than I thought. You okay? Okay.
Oh man, I don't think it's never gonna stop.
Oh. Oh. I don't know how we're gonna get down this. Okay. I finally made it after. As you guys can tell, we're both in great shapes right now. Oh. Oh. Okay. Don't pull me back.
I'll go.
You okay?
Go.
Okay. Oh, look how steep it is. Oh. There she goes. Oh, it's at the top. You okay? You okay, babe? You okay? Okay. We're almost there. All right, so go.
No.
Okay. Oh, we finally made it to a spot. Well, he's almost there. Oh.
Roll down this hill.
Oh, it's like, so here's the spot. It's this old thing we went to one time, I think. Was it just one time? 2 times? It's like this man-made seesaw. You wanna go on top of it? Oh. How am I supposed to get? Hey. Oh. Okay. Well, this is fun. You wanna push off? Oh, shh. Hey guys.
I like how we say hey guys, like we can just continue like, oh, okay. Well, we were gonna end the vlog last night, like finish it in the same day. And oh, sorry, my last night. And
oh, you can
no, no. We were gonna end the vlog last night and finish everything in the same day, but we were really tired after we got back home from dinner and Six Flags, so we just kind of, well, he went home and then I went to bed, and yeah.
We tried going to Snow Crave and we went, but they didn't have the dessert that we wanted, and it's like really good, but we'll have it some other time. But yeah, so we ended up going to McDonald's with my dad, and I had ice cream and she had a caramel sundae, and my dad had dinner. But yeah, and next weekend we'll be hopefully going to Six Flags for the whole day. We were just able to go at nighttime and go during the Fright Fest, but that was still fun. But yeah, she got scared a lot because of the people.
I get scared easily, and that was not the ideal place to be. And it wasn't even that scary now that I think about it, but at the time I was like, oh, they're gonna scare me. I know what they're gonna happen. And I looked like I was frightened, so I would have been the easiest target to get.
You're moving a lot.
But
yeah, she just washed her hair, so yeah. It's new.
It's new.
And I got my Gatorade t-shirt on. I got these for free because I work for athletics. So yeah.
My edges are all over the place, so I'm just gonna try to hide underneath here.
Where'd you go, baby? Joking.
But thanks for following us throughout the day. Yeah.
I'm sorry about the video. It's really windy. We need to get one of those little mic things that you put over the mic so when the wind hits, it's fine. But yeah.
He just wants another excuse to spend more money. But
no, we definitely need it. It sounds bad.
With my finger, need it. Like how windy is it gonna be every single time in the live?
Hey, it was pretty noisy once you hear it, but I'm sorry about that. The next vlogs will be much better, and I hope you guys enjoy her dancing. I added a little clip to that, and yes, and we'll continue to make vlogs for you guys, and feel free to like and subscribe.
Aren't they making vlogs for ourselves?
Yes, we're making vlogs for ourselves too. I always like watching them over.
I think he watches them more than anyone else does.
I got 1 view, 99 of them are for me. Just joking, but thank you for subscribing and liking the videos, and we hope you guys are enjoying your days, and if you're in school, good luck on your midterms, or I don't know how you guys are, but yeah. Anything you want to say, my princess / future queen? You're my queen.
No, nothing to say, but make sure to find at least, I like how I said nothing to say, but I'm still talking. Make sure to find at least one positive thing in your day. And
at least one thing.
Yeah, I said that. Listen.
Jokey.
But yeah.
You're my one positive thing always.